everyone, welcome back to another Scottish food episode. Today we're going to be looking at coconut ice and rock. Coconut ice is literally made up of ice and sugar and coconut, and it has quite a similar texture to tablet. If you don't know what tablet is, I'll leave the link for that video in the description box below. As you can see from the ingredients, most of this is made up of sugar and syrup, so you don't want to be eating this if you're on a diet. When you take a closer look, you'll see the coconut pieces, and you can see the sugar glistening all the way through the bar. As I said before, when you hold this in your hand, it feels a lot like tablet, but when you bite into it, it's actually quite chewy. Personally, I don't even like coconut, but I love coconut ice because it's so sweet. I feel as if it really masks the flavour of the coconut. Next we have some rock. Even though rock is famous for being a Scottish treat, these were actually bought in a rock shop in Blackpool. As you can see here, these come in many different flavours. This one here is Iron Brew flavour. You may have heard of the drink Iron Brew before, and it used to be a Scottish favourite, but now the company who make it have reduced the sugar, and a lot of people in Scotland don't drink it anymore, and many people are actually boycotting bars. So if you're visiting Scotland, I wouldn't recommend that you buy the drink Iron Brew because it tastes absolutely disgusting now. With that being said, rock comes in almost every flavour. As you can see here, we have everything from licorice all sorts to sherbet lemon. As you can see here, the writing goes all the way through the stock. If you visit a rock shop, you can watch these being made and you can have them personalised and have people's names put inside them. A stalk of rock is once again basically just a stick of sugar. These stalks of rock can be quite hard. Sometimes when you bite into them or snap them, they break into shards. Unlike Edinburgh rock, which is a lot softer, you'll quite often see it sold in smaller pieces like this. Let me know in the comments section if you've tried any of these before, and if you liked this video please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here consider subscribing. If you would like to see more Scottish food videos, I'll leave the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, bye!